There are a few new accessories that every NVG30 owner should be aware of that significantly improve its performance and utility, so we're going to jump right in. The most exciting and anticipated upgrade to the NVG30 to date, which has been in the works for many months, and that's the new wide-angle lens mod for the NVG30 designed by Wild Game Plus, which will dramatically improve the field of view from 40 to about 50 degrees, and this will not only allow you to see more of your peripherals, increasing your situational awareness, but it will also make movement-oriented tasks much easier. Attaching the lens mod is really simple and doesn't require any special tools, and all you have to do is align these grooves and press the wide angle lens mod over the existing lens, and it fits very securely in place. And as you can see from the comparison footage, it does allow you to see a decent amount more both vertically and horizontally, which is going to be a big bonus, especially for those of you who plan to use the NVG30 for navigation. And with this mod, it has one of the widest field of views of pretty much every digital night vision device on the market, so hands down, this is one of the best NVG30 upgrades you can buy. Another cool add-on is the adjustable Wilcox mounting arm, which was designed to be more of a durable alternative to the mounting hardware that comes included with the NVG30. The included mount is okay, and it relies on a circular clamping style system to hold the NVG30 in place, but it can lose its positioning over time depending on how roughly it's being used. But this mounting arm is a lot more rigid and gives you a lot more options when it comes to adjustability, and it features a Dovetail adapter which can be paired with an L4G24 style mount like this one, which will also sell, and this combination is a lot sturdier and one of the best options for anybody looking to upgrade their mounting hardware for running a monocular. Another option that's been on the market for a little while now would be for you to pair the L4G24 with our Wilcox Bino bridge, which will allow you to run two NVG30s together at the same time, which really provides an incredible viewing experience, because now instead of only seeing night vision under one eye, you're going to be seeing the same video feed under both eyes simultaneously, which is a lot more immersive and provides a much better user experience, and a lot of people who have upgraded to duals have been quite impressed by this setup. This bridge is highly adjustable, and you can even move one up out of the way if needed, and we did do a video diving deeper into this a few months ago, so you can check that video out if you want to learn a bit more about some different NVG30 Bino mounting option. And this setup also works quite well with the wide angle lens mod, which would pretty much be the best budget digital night vision Bino setup you can assemble. Whether you're running a wide angle lens or binos, they can both add a bit of bulk and weight to your helmet. So another option you can consider is running a power bank as a counterweight to help balance out and redistribute some of the weight to the back of your head, which will make it more comfortable, and it will also improve the runtime of your device. And these can be run in conjunction with a battery inside the NVG30, or you can take the batteries out of the NVG30 and power them off of the power bank. This power bank should fit into a standard counterweight helmet pouch, but you may have to poke a few holes in it so you can plug in your USB cables. But this is a great option for those of you looking to extend the runtime of your setup. This last one is not available yet, but there is a new accessory for those of you who are interested in shooting under night vision, which will essentially allow you to turn the NVG30 into a rail mounted optic. And I don't have too much info about it yet because it's still a prototype, but there will be some more info about this released in a few weeks, so make sure to subscribe to the channel for updates on that. As always, there will be links down in the description for those of you who might want to learn more about any of the items or pick them up and help support the channel. Let us know your experience with these NVG30 upgrades down in the comments, and don't forget to smash the like button if you enjoyed the video.